All right, in this video, me and my sidekick Carlos were driving down the road heading to pick up a hot tub down in Murfreesboro. And lo and behold, on my dash cam, I caught a bird flying into my grill, and it happened really fast, so I didn't see what you're getting ready to see in the video right here. You'll see him coming up over the bridge, and boom, there he goes into the grill. So I was like, did you just see that? And he said, did I just see what? And I said, there's a bird just flew in the grill. So we pulled off, and I will show you in a moment what happened with a hand camera. We pulled off real quick.
Yep.
Here, you run the camera. You think you can hold it steady while I get him out?
Yeah.
Fine. Okay. Come on, little bud.
Well,
There you go. Look at you. In the world. I told you I saw him go down there. I'm glad we stopped. He survived.